The graph shows the estimated value in dollars of a tablet as a function of the number of months since it was purchased. What is the best interpretation of the y-intercept of the graph in this context? So we have this graph that shows the value in terms of the number of months after the purchase for a tablet, and it's this downward sloping curve here. So we need to interpret the y-intercept of this function here. So the y-intercept here is at an x value of 0 and a y value of what seems to be 225, where the curve touches the y-axis. So at this point, we see that the coordinates seem to be 0 for a value of x and 225 for a value of y. So what this means is that 0 months after the purchase of the tablet, the value is $225. So what this means is that when the tablet was first purchased, its value was $225, since this is the value after 0 months, so right when it was purchased. So it says the estimated value of the tablet was $225 when it was purchased, which is the correct answer.